Hello students, we will be studying topic specific page rank. In this topic we'll understand how topic specific page ranking can be calculated. Topic specific page rank, instead of generic popularity, can we measure popularity within a topic? Suppose we have a specific words to find out, based on that we only pages. We don't want whole context on page rank. Very simple generic page rank we don't want. We want specific topics related ranking. Our goal is to evaluate the web pages not just according to their popularity but by how close they are to the particular topic, because usually we don't search by website, we search by some keywords like sports or the history. Allow search queries to be answered based on the interest of the user. For example, we want to search Trojan. What we get? We get different pages depending on whether you are interested in sports, history, or the computer security. See, the Trojan is popular in sports also, in the history also, and of course in a computer security also. So, what we want? What is the sensitive to what? In what context it is? Random walker has a small probability of teleporting at any step. Teleport can go to standard page rank, any page with the equal probability to avoid dead end and spider trap problems. So that is how we solve the problem without teleport. Topic specific page rank, a topic specific set of relevant pages. So we use the same formula which we have used the teleportation formula. What is the idea is to bias the random walk. Whether walker teleports, she or he picks a page from a set S. S contains only pages that are relevant to topic. So that topic specific page ranking is calculated explicitly. For each teleport set S, we get a different vector RS. So what is the matrix formulation? Formulation remains constant. Rather than taking N by S, we take the S as the matrix. So we weighted all pages in the teleport set to S equally. We multiply by M and then add a vector to that. So maintain the sparseness. We'll understand it by some numerical. We have a graph. In a given graph, we have teleport set which is provided, that is a B and D. B and D. Okay. So B and D are specific topic where we wanted from this whole website. We assume beta value as 0.8. We calculate beta into M. So 0.8 multiplied the matrix, which we know how to calculate the matrix. Already we have seen. Then we are going to calculate the V dash. So if you observe, in this matrix, we consider only B and D values. We didn't consider the A and C. So the topic sensitive. And also at the beginning of it, V value is considered as only for B and D. Others are considered 0. 0 by 2 is nothing but as 0. And we calculate it. Subsequent iterations, we get this final result. Thank you.